we used to micromanage being a medium-sized business, and we finally said, all right, manager, you do it, and if this is the thing that we want done and this is how we want it, it's great. And I mean, my headache is way less now, you know. We spent more money on a manager, but it was the best thing I could have ever done. And it's just hard to let those dollars go. But she's, you know, I think people is a huge part that we just forget, because right now everything's about AI and online and everything else. And it's like, you can't do it without people. You still can't. You never, I mean, maybe one day we can, but it's huge. The personal factor is huge. And we, like, for e-com, we handwrite every note. So like, that's our only way that we different. We handwrite a handwritten note to, thank you, David, for buying these pair of boots, blah, blah, blah. And then someone from the e-com team signs it.